Hey everyone, gather round. Welcome back to eGreen Channel. It's time to create something truly special together. Today, we're diving into a recipe that's as comforting as a warm hug on a chilly evening carrot ginger soup. This isn't just any soup, it's a bowl of pure comfort and joy. This vibrant soup is not only bursting with flavor, but also packed with goodness that'll make your taste buds sing and your body thank you. Fresh, wholesome ingredients come together to create a dish that's both nutritious and delicious. Imagine this, a velvety smooth soup, radiating a beautiful orange hue, with a gentle warmth that spreads from your tongue to your toes. Each spoonful is like a cozy blanket, wrapping you in its comforting embrace. The sweetness of carrots blends harmoniously with the subtle heat of ginger, creating a symphony of flavors that's both comforting and invigorating. The natural sweetness of the carrots is perfectly balanced by the zingy freshness of the ginger, making every bite a delightful experience. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting your culinary journey, this recipe is incredibly easy to follow. With simple steps and easy-to-find ingredients, you'll have a delicious meal ready in no time. So grab your aprons and let's get cooking. Gather your friends and family, and make this a fun, communal experience. Cooking together not only makes the process more enjoyable, but also creates lasting memories. Let's turn this simple recipe into a celebration of flavors and togetherness. First things first, let's gather our trusty tools. A large pot, a chopping board, a sharp knife, and a blender. These are the essentials that will help us create a magical dish. Now let's talk ingredients. You'll need some basic pantry staples like onions, garlic, and vegetable broth. These ingredients form the foundation of our dish, providing depth and flavor that will make our creation truly special. And of course, the stars of the show, the vibrant sweet carrots and the zesty aromatic ginger. These two ingredients will bring a unique and delightful taste to our dish. Carrots and ginger. Their flavors complement each other perfectly, creating a harmonious blend that will tantalize your taste buds. We'll begin by giving our onions and garlic a little sizzle. This step is crucial as it helps to release their natural sweetness and enhances their flavors. Heat a drizzle of olive oil in your pot over medium heat. Olive oil not only adds a rich, smooth texture, but also helps to bring out the flavors of the onions and garlic. Once the oil shimmers, toss in your chopped onions and let them cook until they soften and turn translucent, about 5 minutes. This process allows the onions to caramelize slightly, adding a subtle sweetness to our dish. Then, add the minced garlic and cook for another minute, allowing the aroma to fill your kitchen. The garlic will infuse the oil with its rich, savory flavor, creating a delicious base for our dish. While the onions and garlic are cooking, take this time to prepare the carrots and ginger. Peel the carrots and grate the ginger, ensuring they are ready to be added to the pot. Once the onions and garlic are ready, add the carrots and ginger to the pot. Stir the mixture well, allowing the flavors to meld together. Next, pour in the vegetable broth. This will help to deglaze the pot, lifting any caramelized bits from the bottom and incorporating them into the dish. Stir everything together, ensuring the ingredients are well combined. Bring the mixture to a simmer, allowing it to cook gently. This slow cooking process will help to develop the flavors, making our dish even more delicious. Once the vegetables are tender, it's time to blend. Carefully transfer the mixture to a blender and blend until smooth. This will create a creamy, velvety texture that is simply irresistible. Pour the blended soup into a bowl and garnish with fresh herbs. The herbs will add a pop of color and a burst of fresh flavor, making our dish not only delicious, but also visually appealing. And there you have it, a magical dish that is sure to impress. Enjoy the rich, comforting flavors and the delightful aroma. The magic truly begins with the first bite. Now, for the heart of our soup carrots. These vibrant orange wonders are not only delicious, but also nutritional powerhouses. Packed with beta-carotene, which our bodies convert into vitamin A, carrots are essential for maintaining healthy vision, boosting our immune system, and keeping our skin glowing. Chop your carrots into roughly equal-sized pieces to ensure even cooking. Add them to the pot with the onions and garlic, and give everything a good stir. We want to coat the carrots in the flavorful oil and let them cook for a few minutes, allowing their natural sweetness to intensify. Next up, it's time to introduce the ingredient that gives this soup its signature warmth and Zing Ginger. This knobby rhizome has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its incredible health benefits. Ginger is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, its ability to soothe digestive discomfort, and its power to fight nausea. Peel and grate your ginger directly into the pot. The amount you use is entirely up to your preference. If you enjoy a subtle warmth, start with a small piece. For a more pronounced ginger kick, be generous. With our carrots, onions, garlic and ginger mingling happily in the pot, we are setting the stage for a symphony of flavors. Each ingredient brings its own unique note to the melody, creating a harmonious blend that will tantalize your taste buds. As the vegetables sauté, their natural sugars begin to caramelize, releasing a sweet and savory aroma that fills the kitchen. The gentle sizzle of the pot is like music to the ears, a prelude to the delicious meal that awaits. Now it's time to add the liquid that will bring everything together: vegetable broth. This broth is the lifeblood of our dish, infusing the vegetables with a depth of flavor that is both comforting and invigorating. Pour in enough broth to cover the vegetables, ensuring that each piece is submerged and ready to absorb the rich flavors of the broth. This step is crucial for creating a well-balanced and cohesive dish. Then, season generously with salt and pepper. These simple seasonings enhance the natural flavors of the vegetables, adding a touch of spice and warmth to the dish. Remember, you can always adjust the seasoning later, so it's better to err on the side of caution at this stage. A little bit of seasoning goes a long way, and you can always add more if needed. Taste as you go, and trust your instincts. Cooking is as much about intuition as it is about following a recipe. Let your taste buds guide you to the perfect balance of flavors. Bring the mixture to a boil, allowing the heat to unlock the full potential of the ingredients. The boiling process helps to meld the flavors together, creating a cohesive and delicious broth. Then reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes. This gentle simmering allows the flavors to meld and deepen, creating a rich and flavorful broth. As the pot simmers, the ingredients continue to release their flavors, creating a broth that is both complex and comforting. The slow cooking process allows the vegetables to soften and absorb the flavors of the broth, resulting in a dish that is both hearty and satisfying. Check the tenderness of the carrots with a fork. They should be fork tender, meaning they are soft enough to be easily pierced with a fork, but still hold their shape. This is a sign that the vegetables have absorbed the flavors of the broth and are ready to be enjoyed. This gentle simmering allows the flavors to meld and deepen, creating a rich and flavorful broth. The bubbling pot is a sign that the ingredients are working together to create a dish that is both delicious and nourishing. The result is a rich golden broth that is full of flavor and depth. Each spoonful is a testament to the care and attention that went into creating this dish. Enjoy the fruits of your labor and savor the delicious flavors that you have created. Section 6. A Symphony of Flavors. Once the carrots are tender, it's time to transform our chunky vegetable mixture into a velvety smooth soup. Using an immersion blender or carefully transferring the soup to a regular blender, blend until completely smooth. Be cautious when blending hot liquids, as the steam can create pressure. Vent the blender lid and hold it down with a tea towel to prevent splatters. Taste the soup and adjust the seasoning as needed. You might want to add a pinch more salt, a crack of black pepper, or even a squeeze of lemon juice for a touch of brightness. Section 7. A Bowlful of Health. Ladle your vibrant carrot ginger soup into bowls and get ready to nourish your body from the inside out. This soup is not only delicious but also packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Carrots provide a healthy dose of vitamin A, essential for maintaining healthy vision, skin, and immune function. Ginger, with its anti-inflammatory properties, can help soothe digestive discomfort and boost your immune system. Section 8. Variations on a theme. One of the best things about this recipe is its versatility. You can easily adapt it to suit your taste and dietary preferences. For a creamier texture, stir in a splash of coconut milk or cream before serving. To add a touch of sweetness, drizzle with a little honey or maple syrup. For a bit of crunch, sprinkle with toasted pumpkin seeds or chopped walnuts. And if you're feeling adventurous, try adding a pinch of curry powder or a dash of hot sauce for an extra kick. Section 9. A delicious farewell. There you have it. A simple yet incredibly flavorful and healthy carrot ginger soup that's sure to become a family favorite. This recipe is a testament to the fact that healthy eating doesn't have to be bland or boring. With just a few simple ingredients and a bit of love, you can create a nourishing and delicious meal that will warm your heart and soul. So, go ahead, grab your ingredients and get cooking. And remember, the most important ingredient in any recipe is always love. Happy cooking. Subscribe to the eGreen channel, the brainchild of Said Mustafa, a dedicated public health professional and visionary, committed to providing you with valuable insights for a healthier and happier life. Stay tuned for more interesting facts.